Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Cameron and this is Rubberneck Garage. Today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and continue with the sticker bombing of this 1978 Volkswagen. As you can see, we've gotten a lot done. I've got this entire side ready for some clear coat and the addition of some really cool graphics. But before we get started with all that, I need to move a bunch of cars because I need to blow all the dust and everything else off these stickers before I clear coat them. So that being said, let's go and get started. car smooth. Let's go ahead and get this thing blown off and let's get some clear coat on it. So now that I've got this protected a little bit, I put some clear coat on it. I'm going to go ahead and start stickering again, because at least I know this is going to be pretty waterproof and it's going to be fade proof, so I can actually get started. That's how I'm going to do the remainder of the project. Is I'm just going to do one side, I'm going to clear coat it, do another side, clear coat it, and so on and so forth. I did not tape anything off, and the reason is one, there's really no overspray. The can's pretty direct, so I'm not getting a lot of overspray, if any at all. And two, the paint that's on this car, the part that I am getting a little bit of overspray on, the paint's not perfect. So if it's repainted or anything else, getting that little bit of overspray off isn't going to be your biggest issue. Your biggest issue is going to be just repainting the car. So that's where I'm at right now, and the rest of this is going to be cold again. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but that's all right. I'm gonna have to start cleaning up, getting all the cars put away and everything else. But other than that, catch you in the morning. So it is the next morning, and I have 2,000 more stickers in hand. So my day looks so good. It looks so good. I haven't finished the rest of them. So that means this car will have around, what, 4,600 plus I have another 500. Hopefully those will go on the dash. So we're looking at, what, my math? 5,100 stickers are going to go on this car. Kind of daunted with the task. I skipped the gym this morning. I am gonna just lay stickers all day, and here's looking. So as you can see, I didn't film much today because I just had to push through and get the actual work done. If I wasn't gonna do that, or if I didn't do that, then this project would never get done. So today, I really just stickered. That's all I did, and as you can see, got a lot done today. I'm excited about the way it's turning out. Looks really good. I'm super tired, and I see stickers in my dreams, and that's not a joke. It's pretty bad at this point. But went ahead and I actually changed the color of the front emblem to this green because it's going to match some of the graphics that I have in plan for this car, along with the grill, which is actually just sitting over there in the distance. So other than that, that's going to complete this episode. Tomorrow I'm going to finish up the car, and again, thanks for joining us. Let's turn heads every day. All right.